Students of MA in MCCJ first semester at IMCFTS went on a one-day study tour to a village in Shagordip. Apart from being an exhilarating learning experience, it provided most of us with an opportunity to break free from the razzle-dazzle of city life and inhale some much-needed fresh air in the bucolic surrounding of Shagordip. The first part of the journey was made on a bus hired by the institute, and we reached a place called lot number 8 at 10:30 in the morning. Thereafter, we boarded a fairly crowded launch to take us to the other side of the river, and it turned out to be a thoroughly enjoyable 45 minutes ride. The best thing about the journey made on water was that a large group of seagulls gave us constant company for the better part of the journey. We then made another 10 minutes journey in a car which took us to our final destination, the Fulbari village, one of the many small picturesque villages within the Shagordip block. The 15 students of our class were divided into 4 groups, each focusing on a specific issue related to the lives of the villages. 4 broad areas of interest were professions of women of the Fulbari village and their contribution to the family, education of women, health and hygiene, food and nutrition. The students of our institute got an opportunity to interact with the people of the Fulbari and also interview members of some local self-help groups.
Belongs to this village. Now he has shifted to another village, Kostola. Both of them are from Kostola. Actually, Kostola and Fulbari, two villages separated by one road.
Shagor Island is 100 km away from Kolkata. Socioeconomic condition of Shagordip is different from other districts due to its geographical condition. It affected lack of irrigation and saline water. Educational status of these villages is good, like ICDS, SSK, primary school, secondary school, all available here.
The reading quality is very poor. Then you can ask him what you have read. Please tell me that what is the meaning of it. He cannot tell. And if you ask him writing, then no, I cannot write.
যারা পড়াশোনায় ভালো এবং পড়াশোনার পিছিয়ে আছে, মানে পড়ছে বই নেই বা খাতা পেন নেই, তাদের বাড়িতে পড়াতে পারছে না, এই জন্য তাদের বাড়ি থেকে বলে এসেছিলাম 20 থেকে 25টা বাড়ি, তার মধ্যে 6 জন প্রথমে এসেছিল, বাড়তে বাড়তে এখন 10, 11, 12, 13 চলছে, এখন হয়ে গেছে 16।
The trip was jointly organized by IMCFTS and Poribesh Unnayan Porshod or PUPA, an NGO cum research organization which has been working zealously in the village of Shagordip to empower members, especially women of the various communities of Shagordip. We came across some captivating views of a mangrove forest, paddy fields, ponds and nameless river running through the villages, which has dried up completely due to lack of rain in recent times. Some of the students visited a house and spoke with the members of the family exhaustively on various problems plaguing the family and the village. The house had a well-maintained kitchen garden which had different kinds of fruits and vegetables. This project gave us an excellent platform to learn the tricks of the profession and how to work in a real-life situation. It turned out to be a stern test of our communication and interviewing skills, and also gave us a chance to apply some of the theories that we have been taught in our course. Finally, we would like to thank our institute IMCFTS for endowing upon us this wonderful learning opportunity and giving us confidence to move intrepidly down the path leading to a successful journalistic career.